Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chongbyan's kitchen. You must not have thought of adding 3 eggs to shredded cabbage. I didn't expect it to be so delicious when I tried it abroad. Next, let's take a look at how to do it by following the video. First, cut the cabbage into 4 pieces and then cut off the hard core inside. Then switch to a different knife and slice the cabbage into thin shreds. The thinner the cabbage is cut, the better the texture will be. After cutting, place it in a bowl and pour in a spoonful of salt, then add enough water to cover the cabbage. Use your hands to soak and gently squeeze the cabbage in the salt water for 10 minutes. This helps remove any pesticides or dust left on the surface. Once done, set it aside. Next, prepare a peeled carrot and cut it into thin slices. Then cut those slices into very thin shreds. After cutting, place them in a bowl and set aside. Now, prepare a ham sausage, slice it thinly, then cut it into fine shreds as well. Add it to the bowl with the carrots. Then, prepare some shallots and cut them into small pieces. Set them aside in a bowl. By now, the cabbage should be done soaking. Give it a simple rinse, drain the water, and place the cabbage in a bowl. Crack in 3 eggs directly over the cabbage. Stir the eggs well with chopsticks, mixing everything together. Stir thoroughly. Now, season with a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of pepper. Stir again to fully dissolve the seasoning and make sure the flavor is evenly distributed. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of flour and stir once more to coat all the ingredients with a thin layer of flour. Dear friends, I have already shared more than 200 home cooking tutorials and still haven't received your like. Thank you very much for your continued support. Finally, stir everything into a thick batter like the one shown in the video. Once ready, set it aside for later use. Next, prepare an electric griddle and brush it with a layer of cooking oil. Pour in the mixed batter and spread it evenly using chopsticks. Then, use a soft spatula to flatten the top of the batter so the finished pancake will look neat. You can sprinkle some white and black sesame seeds on top for extra flavor. Cover the lid and cook for 3 minutes. When the time is up, open the lid and gently lift the pancake with a spatula to loosen it. Then, flip the pancake over and cook the other side until it's golden. After another minute, open the lid and flip the pancake again. Wow! It's golden and looks very appetizing. When the cake starts to bounce back slightly when pressed with a spatula, that means it's cooked through. Remove it from the pan, place it on a chopping board, and cut it into small pieces to make it easier for the family to eat. After cutting, transfer it to a plate. And there you have it, a plate of nutritious and delicious cabbage pancakes. With a variety of ingredients, it's a very healthy option, especially perfect for breakfast for those who go to work early. You can even prepare the batter the night before and just fry it in a few minutes in the morning. It's super simple and fast. All right, if you like it, give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you next time.